Ayubowan Sri Lanka. Today we are talking about Atamasthana, which are the 8 scared places in Anuradhapura. Pearl of the Indian Ocean and Teardrop of India. Sri Lanka has two names that it's also known as. The first is Pearl of the Indian Ocean. This is said to be named after its incredible beauty, varied biodiversity, as well as one of its main exports being precious gemstones. The 8 scared places in Anuradhapura. The Atamasthana is the aggregated name for 8 scared places of worship by Buddhists in Sri Lanka. Next to the Sri Dalanda Maligawa in Kandy, the most respected place of worship for Sri Lankan Buddhists is the Atamasthana in Anuradhapura. These 8 places are comprised of Jaisri Mahabodhiya, Thupa Ramaya, Lowa Mahapaya, Ruwanwali Stupa, Mirisavati Stupa, Abhayagiri Stupa, Jetavana Ramaya and Lanka Ramaya. Jaisri Mahabodhiya. Jaisri Mahabodhi is a scared fig tree in Anuradhapura, Sri Lanka. It is said to be a sapling from the historical Bodhi tree under which Buddha became enlightened. It was planted in 288 BC and is said to be the southern branch of the Sri Mahabodhi, Buddha Gaya, India. Also the oldest living human planted tree in the world with a non-planting date. The scared tree brought by the Ven Sanghamitra, the sister of Ven Arahat Mahinda, who introduced Buddha's teachings into Sri Lanka. The area around the Sri Mahabodhi, the Brazen Palace and Ruwanwali Saya Dagaba was once probably part of the Mahavihara. The scared Bodhi tree is the oldest historically authenticated tree in the world, for it has been tended by an uninterrupted succession of guardians for over 2000 years, even during the periods of Indian occupation. The Udamalu 35 feet by 55 feet is 35 feet above the ground. The wall was constructed during the reign of King Kirti Rajasingha to protect it from wild elephants. The late when Pallegama Revata Thero had planted the Parivara Bo trees to camouflage the Bodhi to safeguard it from natural disaster such as strong winds and rains. All Sri Lankan heads of state usually have sought the blessing of Sri Mahabodhi before commencing any important work. Thuparama. Thuparama is considered to be the first stupa built in Anuradhapura after the introduction of Buddhism to Sri Lanka. It is also one of the Atamasthana. The stupa was built during the reign of King Devanampiya Tissa. It is believed that the stupa enshrined the right color-born relic of the Lord Buddha. Lowa Mahapaya. The Lowa Mahapaya is one of the 8 scared places known as Atamasthana and it is located in the scared city of Anuradhapura in north-central province Sri Lanka. When you walk towards Ruwanwali Saya from Sri Mahabodhiya, the Lower Mahapaya can be seen on your right-hand side. Ruwanwali Saya. The Ruwanwali Saya Stupa is considered a marvel for its architectural qualities and scared to many Buddhists all over the world. This was built by King Dutugamunu in 140 BC. The stupa is also known as Ruwanwali Mahasaya, Swarnamali Chaitya, Ratnamali Dagaba and Mahathupa. Mirisavatiya. The Mirisavatiya stupa has been built by King Dutugamunu after defeating South Indian invader King Elara. According to the legends, one day the King Dutugamunu had gone to Tissavava for a bath, leaving the scepter here. Once he returns to the scepter, it is said that it could not be moved from that place. As a result, the king has constructed this stupa on the place where the scepter stuck. Abhayagiriya. The Abhayagiri Dagaba is situated in Anuradhapura, Sri Lanka. It was built during the reign of King Vattagamini Abhaya. It is one of the most extensive ruins in the world and one of the most scared Buddhist pilgrimage cities. Historically, it was a great monastic center as well as a royal capital with magnificent monasteries rising to many stories roofed with gilt bronze or tiles of burnt clay glazed in brilliant colors. To the north of the city, encircled by great walls and containing elaborate bathing ponds, carved balustrades, and moonstones, stood Abhayagiri, one of 17 such religious units in Anuradhapura and the largest of its 5 major viharas. Surrounding the humped Dagaba, Abhayagiri Vihara was the seat of the northern monastery or Uttara Vihara. The 1st or 2nd century built Abhayagiri Dagaba was the centerpiece of a monastery of 5,000 monks. The name means hill of protection or fearless hill. Another claim, Giri was the name of a local Jain monk. The monastery was part of the school of the Secret Forest, a heretical sect that studied both Mahayana and Theravada Buddhism. Also, Chinese traveler Faxin visited. The Dagaba was probably rebuilt several times to reach its peak 75-meter high. It has some interesting bas relief, including one near the western stairway of an elephant pulling up a tree. A large slab with a Buddha footprint can be seen on the northern side, and the eastern and western steps have unusual moonstones made from concentric stone slabs. Jetavanaramaya. The Jetavanaramaya stupa was built by the King Mahasen. During the reign of King Mahasen, this has become a center of Sagalika sect. This stupa was rehabilitated for the last time by King Parakramabahu in the 12th century. Lankaramaya. The stupa was built during the 1st century by King Valagamba. According to chronicles, this place was also known by as Silasobakandaka and Galhebakada. Initially, this stupa was known as Somarama Stupa in commemoration of Queen Soma, who saved the life of the king. Stay tuned with the Malisa Mix to learn more about these beautiful Sri Lankan places. Subscribe to watch videos like this and click on the bell icon.